Welcome, big day. Welcome, guys and girls. Welcome to this live session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, a trading coach who will be doing live trading session and live analysis. I would appreciate your presence here. Let me know, guys, if you are here. Once you say yes, I will know that you are here and we can start doing a complete analysis. We can see that the market is very volatile at the moment. On majority of the pairs, we can see that euro dollar, gold, and all the instrument currently trending very aggressively. So once you are here, let me know that if you are here, then I can start doing the full analysis. A very important day for trading, as you know that if we look at the calendar on news calendar, there is a huge volume coming in the market. So if we look at the calendar here, we can see that this is calendar coming at 11:30 p.m. in my zone, coming CAD and dollar. So unemployment claims, and also on dollar 1 a.m. coming at pending home sales and reversed UOM consumer sentiment. So all those instruments currently coming with a big volume, and then again tomorrow there is a huge volume in the market. So we can see that the market currently trending, and we can expect a good move, including all the instrument, euro dollar, dollar CAD, GBP JPY, all of them. So if we look at dollar CAD, you see that what's happening with the dollar CAD. Dollar yen also, you saw that there was a good move. And so dollar CAD, as the CAD news coming later today, we can see the dollar CAD also preparing for a move here. So if we look at the trend in the market, so this is the daily chart on dollar CAD. If we look at the weekly, we can see that there was a previous week a massive bullish engulfer with a massive liquidity grab at the bottom, and this week so far the market was in a consolidation, slowly breaking out of the structure. So dollar CAD and all the instrument, euro dollar, it's melting completely to the downside. So let's see where is our next opportunity at this point. I would like to see that full picture in the market. So if you guys are with me, let me know. We see that there is a big move on euro dollar as well. So gold also having a downside from this resistance level, though it was in a bit in a choppy manner. We can see that gold also coming for a deeper liquidity grab, including also the GBP JPY also will be looking at. So one by one I would like to go through all of them. So David, I'm here. Suraj here. Orolis, thank you very much. Miyamo, good morning. So I would appreciate your support to the channel if you smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, let me know which one you are looking at the moment. We see that there is a good rejection on euro dollar. So let's quickly look at first of all euro dollar. We can see that euro dollar from the daily, there is a weakless candle here, so you can see the gap opening probably on MT4, and the market is just breaking that support level here on euro dollar. So this is a significant level of support. So you can see this is a support level on euro dollar, and this is a 4-hour time frame. We can see that complete break of support, and with that break of support, if we look at the daily chart, this is the daily chart, green candle. This is where we can see the market has got an initial bounce, and from that zone we saw that there was a drop. So euro dollar basically breaking out of that support level at the moment, and euro dollar currently having a huge volume coming on euro dollar because of you know that there is a huge volume coming on euro dollar. So you might see that this instrument might be moving a lot. So there is a couple of liquidity zone that we could see on euro dollar coming to retest. So this is the daily candle so far. If we look at weekly chart here on from the weekly, where we can see that the price has gone up again, has broken the weekly support level. So looking at the intraday 4-hour time frame, we can see that there was a complete breakdown on euro dollar here in this candle. The price has broken that support level. So if we look at the 30 minutes time frame and even the 5 minutes on euro dollar, we can see that it's a very sharply bearish market. We just had a trade here on euro dollar in just a couple of minutes ago. So the way the market is doing on euro dollar, you can see it formed multiple times high low series of lower high, and then has had a complete breakdown from that structure. So for me, euro dollar, if we see that significant pullback in that market, any pullback to the upside, we can look for entry opportunity on euro dollar. Let's see what it is doing at the moment. So if you look at here is, you can see that this is the 1-hour chart and lower time frame, a complete break of support level. So because it has broken that support, expecting a retest of this previous support, turning resistance. So this is a resistance here, this is a channel on euro dollar, and the market, you can see it's a channel on euro dollar, and with that channel the price has broken completely. Okay, so this is a very important level of support, and it has broken completely from that support level, expecting it to retest. So let me draw a couple of levels that we might be able to look at here for another retest. So this is a support turning resistance. So any kind of pullback towards the upside, we see that there is a very strong drop on euro dollar. So any pullback towards the upside might give us that potential entry opportunity, or any kind of consolidation in this area. Before the news coming up, we could see in any pullback will be a good entry point for us. As soon as you see that, we'll be looking to enter any trade on euro dollar. Okay, so you see that there is a good move, and yeah, so this is a very important day, because it's almost at the end of the month, at the end of the week, at the almost the event day. There's a big event coming later today, so that definitely will have a big impact on all those instruments. So we can see that there is a move on euro dollar, and also I will be looking at GJ and gold to keep eye on all of them. And before I progress further, I would appreciate your support. If you give a thumbs up, absolutely appreciate it. Like stream please, thank you very much. Morning, hello coach, thank you. GJ looking at Pele, welcome. So can you say yes when you are here? I know that many of you already on the way, so when I see that everyone is present, then I can begin the full spectrum with all the instrument. All right, so let me see. We can see that euro dollar had a complete breakdown. Now I want to see that euro dollar in fact has gone up for a retest, because this channel, you can see euro dollar has a complete breakdown. So this breakdown, how far it's gonna drop is also you need to look at. And because there is a news coming, expecting it to drop a bit more downside and then go for a pullback. So this is where we will be entering on a pullback. If we see that the market has retraced enough to the upside, and then we can look for possible entry opportunity on euro dollar. So looking at also the GBP JPY, this market also, if we look at the daily chart, if we look at daily, yesterday we have seen candle near to the daily 20 ms has gone up, closed as a half body, half candle, half week candle on GJ, and with that half body, half week on GBP JPY, I will be waiting for this price to retest and then to reject. So this is where also GJ, if we look at, we'll be waiting for the price to retest and then to reject on GJ. If we look at the monthly chart, we can see that on GBP JPY, from the monthly, there is a long wick at the top and also healthy body. If we look at the weekly chart on GJ, we can see that from the weekly, this is a long-term bullish market, but so far, if we look at weekly, we can see the market just below the weekly low, and also there is a support here. Okay, so we'll be waiting on GBP JPY for this price to retest and then to reject from this level. If we look at the daily chart, where we can see that there is a bearish pattern here, because this is the weekly low. What I think that GBP JPY might now feel that long week, and then we could see the market is trending towards the upside in this instrument. Now looking at the 1 hour and lower time frame, here is, we can see there is a this is a bullish move, grab that liquidity and then immediately rejected. At this point, this is the lowest point of this move, and I think that the market is coming to feel that imbalance here. There is a fair value gap, this is the previous resistance, there is a support here, there is a little bit of imbalance that the market didn't feel. So we might see that this is where also the daily support level on GJ in that zone. So we could see the market coming down for a retest. So this is the 1 hour price action. I would like to draw all those possible levels here on GJ, and okay, so here is what we can see, that GBP JPY, this is the there is a manipulation here multiple times on the 5 minutes time frame, and with that 5 minutes manipulation, we'll be waiting for this price to go up and retest and then to reject to that level. So this is what I will be waiting on GBP JPY for any kind of liquidity grab from the resistance will be an opportunity for a short sale on GBP JPY. Okay, so let's see where we can find that entry opportunity. Okay, so here we can see that GJ is at the moment is highly bearish. Price is broken an important liquidity zone. So we might see ultimately breaking that support level here. Withdrawing all those possible levels here. We see there is a big move in the market now. At the moment, we need to see that where the price is heading. We can see that GBP JPY also having a very strong breakdown, and Okay, we see that we will be waiting for a pullback on GJ. Once we find that, we can look for that potential entry. And on euro dollar also, we can see that there is a pullback coming, which is important to see that the market has done enough pullback. So GBP JPY, if we see enough pullback is done, then we can look for that entry opportunity. And then next we will be looking at also the gold. And also in the meantime, traders, I would appreciate if you smash the like button here. Okay, welcome. Yes, morning, coach. Dollar yen. Morning, yeah, welcome. So we see that yen pairs like the GJ, dollar yen also, yen getting a bit stronger here. So it might move a little bit in a sideways. Dollar yen not a very good pair at the moment to look at because it's a completely sideways market. So let's keep eye on GJ and gold and euro dollar, because GBP JPY is nicely trending at the moment. So any kind of liquidity grab or very strong movement on those instruments, we can look for potential entry. So euro dollar is, we had a trade early today from here and we closed with profit. It dropped a lot. It was sell trade. Now I'm expecting euro dollar to bounce again to the any of this liquidity zone, because it's a very strongly falling market. So any break to the upside definitely will give another entry opportunity. If we see the market has moved to this significant liquidity zone, you can see it's a complete breakdown here from this channel. So the market now completely deviated from the channel. So with the deviation, we might see now a retest, expecting it to go up for a retest. And once we see enough retest of this liquidity zone, we can look for possible entry opportunity on euro dollar or on gold. So gold also moving up for a deeper pullback. So I will be looking at gold as well here. Morning, coach. Thank you very much. Eurusd morning. Yes, so Euro-USD, I was looking at Euro-USD at the moment in a very strong downtrend. We have seen a very clean breakdown here on euro dollar. So, and with that clean breakdown, so this is a full breakdown from the 30 minutes. You can see clean breakdown, expecting a retest of previous resistance level here. Okay, so this is the 15-minute chart. We'll know exactly from the price action how the market is planning. Now, as you know, that today is a big event on there's a CAD news coming, GDP, also USD final GDP and unemployment claims. So we will be also looking to see how the market is reacting to those levels. It's important to see that how the price is doing. So here is very weak response from the buyers. There's a very narrow candle on euro dollar on the 5 minutes. So this is a complete breakup support on euro dollar, from this support, the price is completely broken. So we might see a candle close below. If we see that candle close below, now this 4-hour candle has also the liquidity component in it. We have seen multiple liquidity grab. With a 1 minute to see how the market is doing here. So we'll be waiting for this price to form a structure, because you can see it's a very sharp breakdown, complete breakdown from this channel. This kind of breakdown is potential uh, potential for a further drop. So if we look at the daily, we see that the market already from the daily has made significant drop, and before the news coming, we can see that drop. So before news fully released, expecting to go up for a pullback, and with that pullback we see this some of the liquidity zone that we can expect for the price to retest. If we see the market has gone up for enough reversal, we can look for any kind of entry at the moment. So it's a very strongly bearish market at the moment, and any kind of pullback to the upside will be a good entry point. Good morning, thank you for joining the live session. Remember, today is the last day for many banks, since tomorrow is Good Friday. Yes, that's a very important point to look at, because you know that when you look at a market, it's not all about the price action, not all about the market structure and liquidity that we know, but also we need to look at the timing. All right, so what context, what is the timing, current timing in the market, like today is what day, what's happening tomorrow, because all those event, all those timing definitely have a big impact in the market. Okay, so we will be looking at all of these factors, and in the meantime I would appreciate your support. If you like the stream, will be helpful, and also don't hesitate to subscribe. We do open quite a few live trades along with many other trades that we open also in our academy. So if you are not in our academy, also you can consider today. As you can see, today is the last day of almost a big move, so you can join today to be part of this trading community, where you can access all my trades and also all the strategy that I am trading, including live analysis, live discussion, and everything. So as a last day, almost last day of the week, last day of the month, I have a good news to share with you, is that I see a couple of members already emailed me, want to join, but couldn't afford the full fee to join. But it's not a very high fee, as you know that the value that it brings this academy here, whenever coming, I do share all my tools with them, as well as you can learn the strategy that I am trading. I'm guiding them all day long in the same direction. So if you are not on the academy, there is a coupon available as the last day of the almost of the month. So this is the few spots, few position left from the year and sell from the past year. So this coupon, I saw that few spot is still left. You can use it. You can use this website and then visit the website, use that coupon. This is a $200 coupon where you can get 70% off joining, and that's gonna be ending. So you can use it right now. Visit the website and then use that coupon. Be part of the Forex Trading Wizard Academy, where you can learn and grow as a trader. So I would recommend you to use it right now so that you are not missing out this opportunity to become a member in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Any question, don't hesitate to ask. And as you have seen, we do trade live, and also I do conduct Zoom classes where you can access all of them. And our strategy, you have seen that how we're trading. So make sure you take that. I have given that link and also the coupon on the in the live chat. So any question, don't hesitate to ask before it is ending. You can use it right now. So let's see now here what euro dollar is doing. I think that we might see, so you can see after breaking that high, the price is trying to reject from this level. So might be able to some quick trade here. Let me see euro dollar. So this is a, let me see if there is any trade. Not still opening, but just looking at to see. So I will be opening a sell here on euro dollar. So only I will be putting on this trade only 4 pip stop loss. So make sure guys you also consider the spread. So I'll be putting only 4 pip stop loss on euro dollar. I will be selling this market at the moment. It's a quick trade on euro dollar. So stop loss will be at 1.07960. It's the fastest way to sell. And TP target, so TP at 1.0786, almost 1 to 1.7. Quick scalping here on euro dollar. So I'm quickly scalping on euro dollar, couple of pips. Let's make sure that you do the risk management. Expecting euro dollar to have another wave of drop. It's a very strongly falling market. So I'm quickly scalping on euro dollar. And I'll let you know what I'm doing with the trade. So my stop loss at 9601, 1.08, 960, 1.07960. So only few pip stop loss here. Expecting euro dollar to have a very stronger rejection. So if it there is only how many pip? So only 4 pip. So if you have a 2 pip spread, then I would recommend you to put 1 more pip up. Expecting euro dollar to have a rejection here. This is a, you can see this is a 15 minutes price action. So the TP target is 1.07860. We will see how far it is coming. Based on that, we might be able to take profit along the way. So if we see that the price has dropped well below this level, so it's a sell on euro dollar. So I've sold on euro dollar. I'm near my entry. As soon as I will enter into the profit, we can look for taking some profit here. I will be giving a shout out what I'm doing. Um, so expecting it to give us a couple of pips here. So it's a quick scalping opportunity on euro dollar, but at the same time, make sure that guys you do risk management when you are scalping. Is very important. That you do proper risk management, not taking a big risk. Okay, so if you are enjoying the live session, I would appreciate your support by giving a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing out any of the content that I am posting every day. Okay, here what we can see that there is a little bit of manipulation, but if this 15 minutes candle remaining within this resistance level, within the 1.0794, expecting for the next one to drop again. So euro dollar, I'm short on euro dollar, and I would appreciate also guys, as I mentioned, if you give a thumbs up to the live, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now here is the last 5 minutes. Let me see how this candle is closing. It's important that we can see the candle closed to the downside, and then after the candle close, expecting to to revert back here. So the price has grabbed enough liquidity from the top. Okay, so this 15 minutes candle closing is very important for us to see that it's closing as a red candle. Expecting it to return back. We can see a bit of rejection on this instrument, and at the same time guys, don't miss out to subscribe and also press that bell button if you don't want to miss any of the live analysis, live content that I'm posting every day. Okay, we see that downside, and I would like to see that it dropped here for stronger liquidity grab. You see the downside here on euro dollar. It's a quick scalping, only 4 pip stop loss here, and let's see the before the candle close is very important. There's a 4-hour candle close coming, as you know that, and Okay, expecting it to revert back in that direction. So what is dropping is likely to drop. We are trading with the trend, so which is very important. Always trade with the trend, guys, and also don't miss out any of the updates that we are doing. You can join the free Telegram channel today, link below this video in the description, where you can stay up to date with everything in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. If you go to the description of this video, you can find that free Telegram channel link in the description. Now here is what we can see from the 15 minutes. I expected a bit more deeper drop here for this 15 minutes candle. Come on, drop down. We need few pip drop here. So if the market is breaking that low, okay guys, are you there with me? Thank you. Just miss out on the discount. That's fine, no problem. There is always 70% of 350. No, this is you can so you can use that $200 additional coupon to get access. So you get additional $200 discount today. So I would recommend you to right now to sign up, because it's gonna be ending. So once it's gone, it will be gone. So this is where you can use on the lifetime access checkout. So here is we can see a potential downside, expecting euro dollar to drop a bit more downside here. So now the question is the market is consolidating in that area, or before the 4-hour close it's coming a bit more downside. So there is a candle close coming, and yeah, we will be taking profit before the candle close, definitely, so that with the candle close, if the market goes up for a pullback, we are not affected. First, let it enter into the profit zone. I'm still not in my profit zone because my entry was a bit late. So if it goes to the profit zone, then I will be announcing what we will be doing, because it's euro dollar. We need a couple of pips here movement to to grow our trading account, which is very important. So the 15 minutes is a red bearish candle with, yeah, so this one is potential potential for further downside, expecting it to break in that direction. Okay guys, so let it drop below our entry. A little more profit is needed here. In the meantime, guys and girls, if you are enjoying the live session, learning from here and growing as a trader, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Press that notification bell, and you can see that expecting it to before the candle close to break and then to give us some profit here, and then once we find another one we can look for. So expecting it to revert in that direction. So if the market managed to break this support level, I was expecting this 5 minutes candle to close as a red candle, which is very important. Come on, we need to see that rejection, and close as a red candle is very important to see that the next one is melting in the direction, and then we can take some profit here. To secure some profit is very important. And also guys, I would appreciate your support to the channel. We see there is a potential for bearish here. My entry was a bit late, so otherwise I could see some good profit running at the moment. See, my account is running profit. So a red bearish candle, a red candle. We see the market is it's a very narrow zone. The price is not being able to break. Very interesting area. So not breaking down which way the market is now trying to be heading before the candle closed. It's gonna grab more liquidity here. Are you guys with me? So you see that. So if we see another liquidity candle which might be forming here, then we can expect another drop. It's very important that we see that liquidity candle. Here is long wick being created multiple times. Trading with the trend is very important here, especially when you are day trading or scalping. Because in scalping or day trading, if you are trading with the trend, even in an occasion where you might be wrong in your entry, but it's still due to the directional bias, you might be ending up break even or taking profit. So this one, I was waiting for So a bearish candle with a long wick. Right guys, are you with me? Let's hold it still. Expecting for this market to break in that direction. So the structure is very fragile here. It's a bearish structure, falling market, expecting it to come down here to penetrate to the downside. So there is a 4-hour candle closing coming, and before the candle close, you look at the 4-hour time frame, it's a very sharply bearish market. So this 5 minutes candle, expecting it to close as a very long weak candle. Are you with me? USDCHF, yeah, absolutely, thank you. Gold, yeah, we'll be looking at that. Yeah, we'll be looking at gold as well. First of all, let's see where we can end this trade. There's a 4-hour closing in 5 minutes. Okay, expected to break in that direction. We see that bounce on that. All right, so yep, I'm running a little bit of in profit. So wanted to see the market has been breakdown, and so that we can secure some profit on this trade. Because I would like to close this trade before the 4-hour candle close, because with the candle close we might see a spike here a bit for a pullback, but before that would like to see that the market has dropped to go to the entry and to go to the profit zone. So I have entered into the profit at the moment. Running profit, and yeah, running profit at the moment. So I'll be giving a shout out when I will be closing profit on this trade, as expecting to break in that direction before the candle close. Very narrow zone here on this market. So in 2 minutes time there will be a candle close, so I'd like to see that we have secured some profit before the time. Need to hold it a bit more time. Come on, it's getting kind of rejection. So before the candle close, having some rejection from the bottom. As expected, we see there's some liquidity gap here, and yeah, didn't do the job that we expected. Still be holding because I don't want to close in minus. So where are you from? Welcome, thank you for that. Okay, so you see that here is a little bit of downside before the candle close. 30 minutes red, 15 minutes a bearish candle. So with the candle close, if we see another rejection in that direction, it will be much easier. So far the price action is still bearish, so 4-hour candle close can give potential for downside, and in any drop below this level will be expected for another rejection. So let's see what's happening here. So from the 4-hour close, we can see that there's a new candle open. So this is the previous session's low. Okay, drop. That's what we need, a big drop in that direction. Guys, are you with me? Are you with me? So we are almost nearing again to the entry point on euro dollar sell trade. I would like to close in profit, so that's the main goal here. Once we see the market has dropped well below, still this is a bearish price action here. Once it will slip a couple of pips below, I'm ready to close, but not yet. I would like to see significant profit running, then we can close, because I want to see the support is broken, because it might break the support and then could go up again. Come on. It's putting pressure on the support, but it's still struggling to break it. See that break of support? Okay, yeah, now it has broken that support level. Okay, so now I'm closing profit. Okay, so I'm closing profit nearly 0.5%. I have closed profit nearly 0.5% on euro dollars, which is around 4 pip, 4 to 5 pip. So you guys should have the same experience. So I have closed profit on euro dollar. I believe that you guys also have got the profit. It's a good move now at the moment. And let me know, guys, if you have enjoyed the trade. I would like to take another one. I have closed profit, and I believe that you guys also have closed profit. It's running in good profit at the moment since we have entered. I would like to know, guys, if you have closed profit. Yeah, absolutely. Let me know how many of you have won profit in this trade. So I've closed profit, and let me know, guys, have you closed profit on this trade? Sell is selling gold. Yeah, thank you. Close profit. Okay, Paki, welcome. So it's moving in that direction. So this is a quick profitable trade, and I would like to take more trade close to it profit. Kate, welcome. So I would like to know how many of you guys have taken this trade and close to it profit. So I just want to know that how many people are following that trade in this live session. Okay, so Katie, yeah, thank you. Welcome. KBD, welcome. Let me know, guys, how many of you have joined that trade close to it profit. And in the meantime, I have a great announcement, is that if you guys are loving this trade, make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you are not missing out any of the content that I am posting every day. And in addition to that, also, if you want to trade with the same broker that I'm trading, the regulated broker that you can rely on, I'm giving a link in the live chat, so you can use that link to register, and you can start with any fund that you can. This is a reliable broker, and you can use this link right now and register, and then can start trading with a reliable broker that you can for $100 or for $1 million you can trust. They are very well reputed regulated broker I trade with. Most of my member also trading with them, so you can click that link and then you can start you can register, and then you can start trading. If you are joining in our academy, in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, and trading with that broker, you can also access all my trade directly. I can give you thank you very much. So if you are trading with them, and also if you are joining our academy, then you can copy my trade directly, so that's a big advantage for you as well. So don't hesitate to start trading with proper risk management. And as you can see, I trade with the I trade with the trend always when I'm trading day trade, swing trade, and scalping. So don't miss out more opportunity like that by staying here with me in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. And also join the free Telegram channel, link you can find in the description, so that you are not missing out any of the content that I'm posting every day. So here is what we can see in that zone. This is the drop here on euro dollar, has gone a lot in that direction. So we are currently to the point. Let me see what kind of opportunity here we have. So I will be looking for another opportunity coming up in the market. Let me see. Big win, yeah, absolutely, yeah. Close to it profit, thank you, close. So this is, I think, consecutively now in our live session, this is the fifth trade in a row that we have won every single day. So I want to join Parith. Yes, so if you want to join, guys, if you want to join our academy, then you can use this coupon. Today is ending with 70% off, so I have given you the coupon. Don't miss out. This is a rare opportunity. You can take it. Once you are on the website, click join now button, then use that additional $200 coupon to be part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy, where you can learn and grow. This is the real trading you will be learning here with me, trading together. Don't miss out. Use that coupon to sign up with us. Any question you can ask the live agent. I is there always answer any question that you have. Let me know if you have any additional question. So welcome. And also, let's see, here is the drop. You see that this is what I use, that the market structure, liquidity, and price action. And also I'll be analyzing the trade. We had euro dollar just before I start the live session. We had another trade on euro dollar, also was closed in profit. So back to back 2 euro dollar trade we closed in profit, and I would like to trade also later in this instrument, as well as on gold and also GBP JPY. I do share all my trade in the channel. Sometimes, if it is a very quick trade, otherwise most of the trade that I share in the VIP group, so that everyone can access all of them. If you are joining today, you can access all those trade, including all the education that we have offering for the members in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So let me see now what else opportunity we have in this market. I will be again looking at a little bit on GJ. Here is, we can see this market also trending. Now today, this is the event day. As you know that there is a CAD news coming, USD news coming, market gonna be crazily volatile, and your euro dollar had a massive drop here as well. So the market might be getting very, very volatile with this event, and with that volatility, expecting for this price to give us this is a big drop. You can see this is the daily chart. That's a massive drop in a single day, and with the drop, what we can expect in that area for this price to, so with this drop, this is a big drop here, and expecting it to bounce to the resistance level, and with that bounce will be entering again once we find that entry. Now the event might make things very, very volatile. So we see that there is a big this is the 4-hour candle here, closed with a big red candle. Now this is a 15 minutes. So euro dollar has made a significant drop. We'll be waiting for a deeper pullback. What's happening with the gold here, and also the dollar yen? Dollar yen has got a bounce as well. Big bounce on dollar yen. Are you guys with me? So let me see where the market is heading at the moment. Would like to enter another trade. As soon as we find that, I will be looking at other instrument as well. We can see that GBP JPY also ending very nicely after grabbing liquidity. I will be looking at GBP JPY at the moment. Now before I move on to that, I will take just 1 minute break. So guys, I will be back in just a matter of a minute. So I will be waiting for you to once again, yeah. So I'll be back in a matter of a minute. So GBP JPY, and on GBP JPY also in a very strong downtrend at the moment. So euro dollar, we can see that it just keep pushing down for a bigger drop, and we'll be waiting for. So this is a complete breakdown of support on euro dollar. We look at again the monthly chart. So the price might hit that level at the moment. If we look at the weekly here, the weekly support, it might hit that weekly level. Daily also, this is a very significant level of daily support, because the market has made a big drop, so we might see that it's hitting that level. And as the news is coming, if we see spike, so that spike could lead this price to move a lot. Now if I look at gold, there isn't much move on gold yet. You can see that from the daily. This is something looks to me very, very unusual, guys. You can see that euro dollar has made a huge breakdown. So there is a huge volume coming on euro dollar, while we can see that gold is not much moving here at the moment. And because you can see there is we look at the lower time frame, gold is still not moving much, and we might see that breakdown on gold with the news. So there isn't much volume on gold yet, but if we look at the euro dollar, that's a huge volume coming. And so looking at, we could see good move. And so looking at the weekly, big drop. If we look at the monthly, we can see the price has just broken this monthly support. The gold is not going a lot. We look at the GBP JPY and dollar yen also trending. So we see that strengthening on DXY, a big bounce on DXY. It's a big move on DXY. So that move, we need to see where it is heading, DXY today. So a big move for DXY as well. But gold is going the other way around, so that's sometimes a bit more unusual to see that gold, as a rule of thumb, normally moves in the same direction as euro dollar, but we see that gold is moving almost opposite direction of euro dollar. So this drop on euro dollar, after this drop, expecting a very clean pullback. Close profit, Morgan, thank you very much. Yes, so when will you live on YouTube daily time? Yeah, so YouTube live session you will see every day. Every day you'll see that I'm trading live on London and New York session, so both of them. Gross profit, thank you. Your channel in my has improved. God bless. Thank you very much. Yes, absolutely. Gold make big drop. Yeah. Live forex trading Thursday. GBP JPY. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, thanks for the appreciation. What we can see on this market, as you can see, this is a huge drop in this instrument, and DXY is really heading towards the upside here, and with the gap opening today after this event, we can see the DXY is making a big move to the upside. If you look at the monthly here also, you can see after breaking that monthly high, monthly low, the market has got a big move towards the upside on DXY. So this bounce on DXY is, we need to see when the market is coming for a deeper pullback, because after this kind of breakout, expecting a pullback before we enter for another trading opportunity. The way the market is heading, we could see significant movement later today, while we see there isn't much volume in the market on gold. So we'll be waiting to see what's happening with the news. And we see dollar yen, euro dollar. So all of them, euro dollar has made a big drop here. We'll look for another one as soon as we will find that. Gold, yeah, absolutely, we'll be looking at that. And in the meantime, guys, if you are enjoying the live session, don't hesitate to like the stream and also subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate. I see that like is almost less than half of the view, so if you give a thumbs up to the channel to increase more, will be much appreciated if you give a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So now let's look. This is the euro dollar trade that we have taken. Let me see that GBP JPY, this instrument also, we see that massive breakdown at the moment to the daily, almost hitting the daily 20 EMA. So we might see that ultimately breaking this daily low, dropping below that daily level. So it's a complete breakdown from that structure here on GJ. So we might see ultimately the price is breaking below 190.33, and that's where the previous support on the daily, below this 190.33, where there is a previous support, and from that previous support we'll look for going long if we see price action confirmation. I think that if GJ is breaking that low today, we might see that we might see significant movement again in that direction. So depending on how the market is doing, we'll be looking for entry. Okay, so as you know that as with the progression of the London session coming up, New York session, and two very high impact news coming, guys, so make sure that you keep eye for that. And in the meantime, any trade coming on my way, definitely I'll be sharing on the VIP Telegram channel. Before I leave, guys, I'm giving this coupon again every for all of you. This is another $200 additional discount. You can join today to be part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy. I have given share with you. Once you're on the website, you can click join now button, and then you can use that coupon to be part of this trading community. In addition to that, if you want to trade with the same broker that I'm trading, that recommended broker. I can give you the link in the live chat. You can use that and you can register, start trading with a reliable regulated broker. With that being said, thank you very much, guys and girls. Thanks for joining this live session. I'll be coming on live again in just a matter of 2.5 hours to trade the big news. So don't miss out that live session as well. We had a good trade on euro dollar. Let's keep it up and keep that in your trading account. Don't don't over trade so that you still remain in your profit area. So thank you, and I'll see you soon trading live together.